How to cancel your T-Mobile plan. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your T-Mobile plan easily, whether you want to switch carriers, stop service temporarily, or close your account completely. If you're trying to cancel your T-Mobile plan but can't figure out how, it's usually because the option isn't obvious in the app or website, or your account still has outstanding payments or active devices. Many users see confusing menus, error messages, or get redirected to customer support without a clear path. Don't worry, I'll show you the step-by-step process to cancel your plan correctly, what to check before canceling, and how to avoid extra charges. Follow these steps to get it done. Step 1. Check your account for outstanding balances. Before canceling, log in to the T-Mobile app or my.tmobile.com. Check for unpaid bills or device payments. These must be settled before the account can be closed. Step 2. Back up any needed data. Save your contacts, messages, and important information from your T-Mobile account. If you're using T-Mobile's cloud or email services, make sure to download anything you need. Step 3. Contact T-Mobile customer support. Call 1-877-749-0909 or use the in-app chat to request cancellation. Explain that you want to cancel your plan and follow their instructions carefully. If you have multiple lines, clarify whether you're canceling just one or the entire account to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Confirm your cancellation. Once the request is processed, T-Mobile will provide a confirmation number. Keep this number in case you need to follow up or verify the cancellation. Step 5. Remove autopay and account access. After cancellation, disable any autopay linked to your T-Mobile account. Sign out of the app and remove your account from devices if you no longer plan to use T-Mobile services. Double-check that all devices tied to your account are fully deactivated to prevent unexpected charges. And that's it. Your T-Mobile plan should now be canceled successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick carrier guides.